homepage. We can continue options, through options, add, clear, close it. Then we got recipe name and ingredients, so food group in the list, as well as steps. So add recipe name cheeseburger, we select the recipe. It doesn't display it here, but it displays it here. It does, it is alphabetical order. And if I add another, say what, apples, apple pie. Add the name here. It says apple pie here first. Second one says cheeseburger. It's in alphabetical order. Now for cheeseburger, we're going to add ingredients. We're going to add the cheese as dairy. So there's ingredients, calories of the ingredient, and yeah, save recipe below. Add steps, add cheese to the burger, add steps. It gets displayed over here. Display recipe, everything's already displayed in any case. Scale the values by 3. Boom. Cheese. Reset the goes back to 2. Yeah. Now, create menu, which doesn't work because of the live chart issues, software issues of Visual Studio. So the code is there. I can show that now. That is the code. I'm just going to show the new code. Many seeing this stuff already, like adding recipe stuff. Yeah, it used to like go to the menu, like visibility stuff, save recipe, that is all other stuff. Ignore that. Reset, I ignore that, it's old. Yeah, we got to calculate. Oh yeah, menu click. This is now to create a menu, which now recalls these methods, calculate the percentage of the food groups, and to display the food group pie chart, which is what displays the chart. Here is my GitHub repository. We got all the stuff here and the README file, table contents, and how to run our application, what to do in it, and troubleshooting and some feedback, your feedback, which I've applied to this part 3 as well. And I'm going to post this video to this GitHub soon, as well as the user manual. Thank you.